Okay. Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go. We are making super crunchy baked broccoli.
With
Super crunchy baked broccoli. This is about 2 broccoli heads, and we're gonna slice the florets. Quick. Everything that looks suspicious, discard it. Don't touch the phone, Ame. Make sure that you wash your florets really well. Super easy. You just slice them in half.
Give a thumbs up. Comment down below. Do you know your times? Well, I know some of my times. So do a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel.
Well, Amelie is behind camera today.
Yes.
She's the camera lady. She's the director.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm on my own in front of the camera today?
Yeah, sometimes I'm going to go back and forth.
Oh, you're going to?
Yeah, today.
Sounds great.
Okay, now okay, this is me. Okay, you see me?
Come over here. You're going to be doing the second part. Do you want to do the second part?
Sure.
Wash your hands.
Okay. Oh, with me. Oh, with me. Can we put spice in them?
What spices do you want to put in? No, actually, just a little bit, because we're going to have cheese to make it a little bit crunchy. All right, super, super easy. Here, all cut. We're going to drizzle with avocado oil. While you're chopping the broccoli, preheat the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. Go for it. Yeah.
It makes a funny sound.
Yeah.
That means that it's working. You can use any oil, right?
Not any oil. I would prefer something that is more resistant. The smoke point is higher. For example, avocado oil. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Yeah.
Maybe you put too much.
No, because it's a lot of broccoli. Now, what are you gonna put in? A little bit of?
Everything but mine.
Okay. Just a little bit of curry powder. Not too much.
What?
That's enough. And then
Do I mix it with my hands?
afterwards, yes. This is looking good. Just a little bit of turmeric. Wonderful. Now
we have
now we're good.
We have a dozen of.
What happened to your hair that I did this morning?
I lost it when I was doing.
Yeah, while you were touching it, it's right here.
Oh my!
I just don't want your hair in the broccoli.
And then they know it's exactly for mommy.
Okay. Just a bump up for now. Bye. Go. Make sure all of them are full with oil, coated. Everything is coated. All the way to the bottom.
What happens if we put too much of that?
Too much of oil? It's just gonna come out too greasy.
Like pasta.
All right. I think we're good. Let's dump them here and spread them out. Whoa, wonderful. Now, just spread them out as even as possible. And then we're just gonna grate some cheese on top. This is gonna give an extra crunch. These guys are gonna go in the oven for about 40 minutes. Can you not move the camera?
But
I don't want you to move the camera.
No. But we can't see it.
Should be
I
fine.
never liked those.
You don't like cashews?
No.
Okay.
I never.
Then if you don't like them, you can take them off. And then get some hemp seeds. They don't have much taste. Okay, I'm gonna do half. All right. Since Amelie doesn't like hemp seeds, we're just gonna do half of the broccoli with hemp seeds and the other half without. We're gonna put them in the oven. So proud of this dish. Such a hearty one. I love it. We're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes and then we're gonna dig in. And here we are. Guys, this looks amazing and smells even better. Crunchy, cheesy broccoli. Voila!